Sally, welcome to Fun Diary. These are Poppy toys. These are children toys which are very popular right now. And in this video, I'll try to make Poppy toys cake toppers. Okay then, let's get started.
First, prepare cream, blue, pink, and yellow fondant. And also 2 piping tips or round rings with slightly different diameters. And 1 sheet of plastic. Then make 5 mm thick fondant puppet balls using the smaller piping tips. And roll out the fondant again to a thickness of 2 mm and print a circle with the larger piping tips. Then press and cut the fondant with the smaller piping tips. Then make the puppet base with a thickness of 5 mm. Brush it with water in the circular pattern and don't let the center of the circle get wet. Put on the piping tips and paste the puppet ring over the base. Then paste the puppet ball in the center of the ring. Then just repeat it the same way for the blue fondant. Make 2 rows with 5 puppet ball each. For pink fondant, make 3 rows with 5 puppet ball each. For yellow fondant, 2 rows with 4 and 2 puppet ball each. Next, prepare a 3 mm thick white fondant base to attach all the puppet balls. And make the frame with a thickness of 2 mm and a height of 1.3 cm. So here is the ice cream puppet cake topper. Do you like it?
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And also don't forget to turn on the notification for other interesting fondant cake topper tutorials. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!